New today, the Bank of Canada is holding its key interest rate at 5%. What's behind the decision? For the answer, we're turning to Kris McCusker, who's standing by in the CityNews 680 Business Center. Kris, why are they making this move today, or no move today?
Right. So a pause from the Bank of Canada. This was widely expected, Melissa, and really this is coming because our economy is showing signs of slowing. We saw this in the GDP data last week with the numbers showing a contraction in the third quarter in economic growth. We saw this in the labor report last Friday with a slight move up in the unemployment rate. So all of this part of the bank's decision today to leave interest rates unchanged. Now, it's not quite ready to declare victory on inflation just yet. The latest reading for October came in at 3.1%. We're going to get the November data on December the 19th. But the bank does say that inflation is going in the right direction. However, it will hike again if necessary. And that if necessary is really key here, Melissa.
Yeah, and it seems like it's not so much the decision that was announced today that's the big newsmaker. It's all of the rationale behind it. People are really reading the tea leaves here, and some believe that the next move could be a cut.
Yes, I actually spoke to an economist today who believes the Bank of Canada should cut rates as soon as January. Now, that's not likely to happen, but there continues to be these growing expectations that the next move by the bank will be a cut, likely in the first or second quarter of next year. Just because the economy is so very close to recession, the interest rate cuts may be needed in order to sort of support the economy after this aggressive interest rate hiking cycle. Now, the next interest rate announcement at the Bank of Canada is January the 24th. This was the last one for 2023.
Okay, still more to come. Kris McCusker, thanks for breaking down the Bank of Canada's decision today to keep the interest rate where it is. Joining us from the CityNews 680 Business Center. Thanks for that, Kris.